Let's see how to print Avery labels in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, to print your Avery labels, first, go into the Mailings tab. Now, from here, click on Labels under Create. Now, to print an Avery label, click on this one right here. And normally, Microsoft has it set on Microsoft by default. Now scroll down and choose either A4, A5, or US letter. Now let's select A4 and A5. Then right here, you can select your product number. And then once you've done that, simply click OK. Now type in your address, for example, and type in your address. Now click on New Document if you want to view your label, or if you want to print it, you can simply click Print. Now let's try clicking on New Document first to see what it will look like. And as you can see right here, that opens up a new document for us with the Avery labels already on the page. And that is how you print and create Avery labels in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.